Hello, friends. So today, let's continue our series of data analysis on Excel. So today, let's do an independent t-test. Uh, this test is used when, say, for example, you've done a randomized control trial and you want to compare, say, for example, a drug for high blood pressure. And you are comparing that medicine, that drug with a placebo. So I've used an example of an antihypertensive comparing with a placebo, and we are comparing the blood pressure uh, following the intake of these medications. One is placebo and the other is medicine. And I've formulated a table here where these are the blood pressure, the systolic blood pressure readings you get following the placebo prescription and the drug prescription. So let's see how we use the independent t-test here. So first you click on data analysis and then you click on t-test to sample assuming equal variances. Okay, then click on OK. And now you click on this, drag this, press it again. Similarly, again, you click on this, drag this, press this again. Hypothesize mean difference would be 0. Click on labels because the first row is of labels. Your p-value, keep it as less than or equal to 0.05. Now in this output, either you can get this table in a different worksheet in a new Excel sheet, or you can get that table, the t-test table, using any of these rows. So I've picked up D here. So what you do is you click on this, press this, click again, then this comes, and then you press OK. And then you will get this data. So if you want to see this properly, you can drag this. Again, let's drag it further. So we are able to see this clearly. And the same thing we will do for this and for this, so that you can see it properly. Right, so what you get from here. So let's look at the mean. So as you can see, the mean blood pressure of when you take the placebo and you compare it with the medicine, there is significant difference there, right? So there is a significant drop in the blood pressure if you're taking this medicine. Then you look at because it is independent, which means like if you see my previous video on pair t-test, it is about before and after. Here you're comparing two independent variables where two different drugs were used. One was placebo and one was the drug which we was doing the trial on. So then you use one tail, right? The p-value would be of one tail. In pair t-test, it is two tail, but here it is one tail. And then you look at the p-value here. Now here the p-value is less than 0.05, which is here 0.04, which clearly suggests that the difference you see, the mean difference you see between the two compound is statistically significant, right? So this is how you use the independent t-test. I hope this was useful. I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.